Hi guys, it's Melissa with Melissa Peterson Designs. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. I'm getting ready to start my second online craft class. It's Let's Craft with MPD Easter Craft Kit. And this is the 8-inch one that's available. And also, this was the 12-inch one that was available. Sorry about that. We're getting ready to do this online in our private group. I just wanted to show you what came in the box when you order. So, got your instructions of what's included, what to expect, and also the back of the instructions plus the password into the private group. We got our rounds, we got our hop, hello, and that'll be in the craft kit. I've got the paint that's included. You are not limited to this color. If you choose to use your own color, you're welcome to. I have 1.5 ounces of each of white and pink craft paint. I'm including foam brushes, a detail brush, a permanent marker, sanding strip, 220 grit, supplies for your messy bow, and plus we're gonna have the flowers, and then your choice of scrapbook paper. So I offered three different, I offered three different choices. This, the pink buffalo plaid, and I also offered the polka dots. So that way you had two choices of size and two choices of scrapbook paper. And then, oh, I can't read that. Hey, Daniela. Yes, Daniela's gonna be my helper tonight. Hi, Grandma D. Whoops, I'm putting that away. Also, tomorrow during my live, I'm going to announce the giftee. I've got it all wrapped up, ready to go. If you still want to join, just go to my pinned post on my main page and you follow the instructions and I can put your name down. And I'm also going to include a, doesn't need to be bubble wrapped, I'm going to include a bunny stencil, because I've got a project planned for tomorrow and I'm going to try and give as much supplies that way you guys can join in, plus the stuff that I have in the picture. So I hope you guys have a great night, and I will see you tomorrow on my Facebook Live around 10 a.m. Bye guys.